Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is AG Update. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can participate in the Anoma Testnet campaign to maximize your chance of getting some potential reward. So this update is mainly for those of you interested in participating in the Anoma Testnet campaign and you don't know how to navigate around this. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can go about it by getting code, how you can play the games for you to get some points so that you can rank well, because recently they introduced a leaderboard so you can monitor your progress on the testnet, and how you can get started. So anything around it I'm going to tell you. I'm also going to tell you guys what this project is all about and what they intend to do in the future. So guys, for those of you new to this channel, please help me by hitting on the subscription button and don't forget to give this video a like. So first of all I'm going to tell you what Anoma is. So Anoma is like a new kind of internet system that help people to build and run web3 apps that use blockchain technology. But it's not just another upgrade or small improvement. It's a total new way of thinking about how blockchain and online apps should work. Instead of just fixing old problems, Anoma changes all the old design from the ground up, making it easier and more powerful for developers to build the next generation of decentralized app. So this is what Anoma is all about. And this is a project that raised $60.25 million from several investors. So these are the investors as you can see on the screen according to CryptoRank. You can see for Taiwan, Polychain, Coinbase, Ventures, and the rest. So you can see they have different investors on this project. So there is $60.25 million. So this is very huge, guys. And this airdrop is potential. So this activity can position you for some potential reward in the future. So please, in case you get the code and you are able to partake in this testnet campaign, please make sure to take it serious. And this is a gated testnet. For you to access the testnet page, you need to get a code, and this code is very rare. So in case I get a code, I'm going to share it to you guys. So I'll be sharing it on Telegram and X in case I get the code. So currently guys, the code is scarce, except maybe you are active on X for you to be opportune to get a code, because a lot of people are using this to do giveaways and the rest. What you need to do is to visit testnet.anoma.net. So you just need to click on connect. So they are going to ask you to paste the code here. For those of you that already have code and you want to paste it, and if you know you have already pasted the code and you have connected your wallet before, what you just need to do is to click on already onboarded. Click here. Okay, so I'm going to use my Rabi wallet. So then your EVM wallet or your preferred selected wallet is going to pop up for you to connect. So connect. Alright guys, let me show you something like this. So I've already started the testnet, but I just want to show those of you that don't know how to navigate around it, what to do. And in case you know you are not going to be serious with this, please don't ask for code. Just leave it for those people that are interested in participating in it to participate. And in case I get the code, surely I'll share it for you guys on my X or Telegram account. So for you to get started, for those of you that don't know how to go about it, what you just need to do, you are going to see a character here. Maybe it's going to be like a frog or a comrade kind of character. What you just need to do is to use your arrow key to move it. So just use your arrow key for movement. So first of all, you need to visit here. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys where to visit first. You need to connect your X account and retweet or tweet about something. Sorry, post about something. Connect your X account. Okay, so you bring it here. You see on the screen. Alright, so let's see. So you're going to visit here first using your arrow key. So once you reach here, you're going to see enter. So make sure your character is exactly like this, then you click on enter. As you can see on the screen, so you can see that I've performed my social tasks here. Quest completed. So you're going to see option for you to connect your X account, and after that they're going to tell you to quote about something from them like that. Then once you are done, just click on enter. You are good to go. As you can see on the screen, I've performed these tasks. So now I'm just going to go back. Alright, so I'm just going to go back. After you have connected your socials, what you just need to do now is to visit here. So visit here for you to get Fitcoin. Then you click on enter. So here you need to get Fitcoin. Click on enter. Sorry, you click start here. Click start mining. Then what you just need to do, hit space or tap the bike to mine. So this is what you need to get first before you can use in participating in any tasks like the betting of BTC price prediction and balls rolling and the rest. So make sure to get Fitcoin, and you can only get 1000 Fitcoin per day. Already gotten 100 plus. So you can do this till you get 1000. Once you get 1000, it's going to tell you that you have reached your limit for the day. So after getting your 1000 Fitcoin, so anything around 12 a.m. UTC is going to reset. So now I'm going to show you guys how you can play the game. So visit here. So Garapon, visit the Garapon task and you click on enter. So this game is based on luck. So you can see I already have 3x coupon, and for you to get 1x, that is x1 coupon, you need to is 50 Fitcoin. Then what you just need to do is just click on purchase. So you can see I have 182. If I click on purchase now, looking on the screen guys, you can see they have subtracted the 50 from there. Now you can see they have added one again. So for this tax you need to spin this so that you can get some points. So they have different colors. White, if you are to get white, you are going to get 100 points. If you are to get other colors, you are going to get different points as well, as you can see on the screen. So each color, this is what you are going to get. So let me try my luck to see. Alright, so nothing. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, I got white, which is x 100 points. So let's play again to see. Let me try my luck again. Still white. So I got 100. So it's going to add up to my points. Let's try again. Still white. Let's try again. Still white. So if you continue, you are going to get other colors. So after that, there is a section where you need to predict the price of BTC. You can see on the screen. So that is bit flip. You click on enter. Alright guys, so after that, this is what you need to do here. So you need to predict the price of BTC up or down. So here is the leverage: 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x and 10x. So this is what you need to do. Bet points. So you are going to bet these points. If you are to use everything and you lose, everything is going to go. So if you are doing this, please make sure to play responsibly. So now this is the price of BTC 947. Let me predict up. Then I'm going to use leverage of 3x. I'm going to bet just 100 points. Alright, so now I'm going to click on place bet. So let's see if this is going to work. So this is the starting point. Oh, as if I'm going to lose this. Look at the time. I'm going to lose this. Alright, so you can see lost. I lost 100 points. Blah blah blah. Okay, you can see my Fitcoin is gone. If you lose, your Fitcoin too is going to go, something like that. If you got it correct based on your prediction, down or up, it's going to add a point for you. If you fail, it's going to minus a point for you. So this is what you are going to see. Alright guys, so for you to perform these tasks, okay, so for you to perform this explore the desktop and collect points, you need to move your character around this. So you can see there's one here, you can see on the screen. So just use your character to just at least touch it. There's something like that. Then use your character. Okay, so you can see another one here. Just touch this one. Something like this. So you make sure to use your character. Touch all these this cycle. So you can see there are other ones here. So you can see there are other ones here. Just use your character to touch it. So then you visit here. So you can see I've done 18 all over 20. So there are 20 of them. So if you complete this, you're going to get points. So this is how to perform these tasks. Then this is to spend your daily coupon. So I've done that. So you make sure to do it. So this is how you can get this. So this is how to perform. And those of you yet to start, this is how you can navigate around it. Alright guys, so I'd love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to hit the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys and minimal grains to your wallet.